Hi everyone, let's see how you can enable or disable these OSD notifications in any Lenovo laptop. To get started, simply search for Microsoft Store and open it. And in the search box, type Lenovo hotkeys and open this app. Click on Get to download and install the application. Once done, click on Open and then click on OK here. Now from the dashboard, click on Settings and you'll see the option of Caps Lock and Num Lock OSD. Simply turn it off from here. Now when you press Num Lock or Caps Lock, you won't see any notifications. However, to bring it back, simply turn it on and you'll get back the OSD notifications. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.